Hey guys, welcome to SweetieSembly, where I show you how to assemble your baby gear. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to assemble the Vtech Batter Up and Bowl Sports Arena. Enough talking, let's get down to it. First, you will need the two support feet and the baseball bat holder. Then you will need the baseball bat, the arm with the swinging baseball on it, the bowling ball, and the activity panel. You'll also need a screwdriver and 3 AA batteries. The first step is to install the batteries. You take the activity panel and go to the back to find the battery compartment. You take your handy dandy screwdriver and you unscrew the panel off. Then you insert the batteries into the compartment. And you close the panel and screw it back on. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Now you go to the left of the activity panel to find a slot. You will take the baseball bat holder and insert it here. It will click into place. Then you take the arm with the baseball and insert it into the top left of the activity panel. Next, you take the entire activity panel and insert the ends into the two supporting feet. Now that it is assembled, the baby can swing the bat with the baseball, and it can be kept in the holder. And they can knock the pins down with the bowling ball. And that's how you assemble the Vtech Batter Up and Bowl Sports Arena. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, hit like, and leave a comment down below to let me know. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and see you in the next video.